Not too long ago, I was invited to a pharmaceutical company that was having problems with the existing commercial vacuums that they were using to clean their tablet presses. They had been using a dust collection system that was hooked to the exhaust ports on the tablet press. That was insufficient in providing suction to keep the tables in the tablet press clean. Generally in tableting, it can produce a lot of fine powder, and if you don't use the right kind of vacuum, you'll have a lot of failures with those vacuums. When I arrived at the plant, I walked through the warehouse and found two 4x4 pallets full of spare vacuum parts that they had saved over the years because they needed them to continually fix the vacuums that they were using. I'd never seen anything like that before. I was blown away. I explained the differences in the types of suction between a dust collection system and a vacuum. A dust collector requires high CFM through wide diameter tubing, and a vacuum can work with low CFM and high pressure and do very well through small diameter tubing, typically found on the internal lines of a tablet press. I recommended that they try our CFM model 3156 HEPA filtered continuous duty vacuum with external shaker mechanisms, and to also try a CFM model 118 for cleaning up whatever residual powder might be left behind in the suite after the production cycle is over. The 3156 is connected to the external ports on the back of a tablet press. A very simple connection. We have quick connects at the vacuum. We also have slip-on cuffs to fit right onto the exhaust ports. It also is powered by a regen blower, which will give you 24/7, 365-day-a-year service. The CFM Model 118 is built with a bypass motor, and it will take ambient air to cool that motor, even if the filter becomes plugged. We add a HEPA filter so that everything going into that motor is pure, and then we put an external filter shaker mechanism for the main filter so that the operator can clean that filter externally without ever having to take the vacuum apart. Overall, they were so satisfied with our solution that over the past few years, as they grew to 25 tablet presses, each press was accompanied by a CFM model 3156 and a 118.